Good morning students and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 6, 7 and 8 and today we shall learn how to write articles. Now, what is article writing? An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspaper or magazine or journal so as to make some difference to the world. It may be the topic of interest of the writer or it may be related to some current issues. Now, what are the objectives for writing an article? It brings out the topic of the matter of the interest in limelight. The article provides information on the topic. It offers suggestion and piece of advice. It influences readers and urges them to think. Now, as you all know that every writing section has a format. So even article writing also has a format. An article must be organized in a proper way so as to draw the attention of the readers. The basic outline for an article writing format is, first it should be heading, which should be very impressive, or you can say title. Second is a line having the writer's name. What you have to write? Your name. Then the body, which is also called the main part of the article. It can be written in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Then last is what? Concluding. Ending the paragraph of the article with the opinion of recommendation, anticipation or an appeal. Now, ingredient of writing the article. First, what you have to write? Topic, that is title. Then your name. Then what you have to write? Your body, which is also called the main part of the article. And in body you have to write the introductory paragraph, then descriptive paragraph. That means in body only first paragraph should be the introduction of the topic, and then second paragraph you will give your views of that paragraph. And last is what? Additional or informal if needed, if you want to write, then is conclusion, and by this you have to end the article. Suppose you have to write an article on any topic. First thing what you have to do while writing an article, always use proper grammar, spelling and proper punctuation marks. Without this your writing will be meaningless. And use vocabulary skill. Keep the introduction of the topic catching, interesting and short. It should be very impressive so that the reader might feel that what is written in this article, I should read that. Now there are common errors which always students commit. Some of the common mistakes are not using facts of quotes or similar cases. The language should not be too formal. Clear? The article must be in easy language for better understanding, because if you use difficult language or if your sense is hidden, then it will be difficult for the readers to understand it. So your language should be very simple. The title of the article must be catchy and clearly understandable. No use of paragraphs in that. Expressing personal view is fine, but the author must never talk about himself or herself. Don't talk about yourself or about your family like that. It should be general. Now, points to keep in mind for the article writing format. The topical of the article should be unique and relevant. The article has to get attention. It has to be interesting and it has to be easy to read. The reader is identified. Find the main goal of writing an article. The goal can be anything from providing information, entertainment, and advice or for the comparing, etc. The title must be eye-catching and clear, and it should be interesting. The introduction or the starting paragraph must be highly attentive. Use your vocabulary skill or try to use some introductory words for the start. Use clear statement and make assertions. Avoid repetition and over the topic, logic and reasons. Use the style of the paragraph writing and write the connects uniquely and unambiguous. Avoid using the points which interest you only and not for the general public. Write a good and logical ending. Without that, your paragraph will be incomplete. Your article will be incomplete. So is it clear, students? These are the few points which you should take care while writing article. And the most important thing is, while writing article, which I have already mentioned, your vocabulary should be good and there should not be any spelling mistakes or grammatical mistake. Because if you commit any grammatical mistake or spelling mistake, then the reader might not read your article. They might think that it is much inferior. So always take care. Understood? Now you will read this article solved example from your practice book. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.